Yes, yes, we can.
Yeah. See, this is our data set. Okay, this is our actual data set. In this data set, we have some movie title, some release date like director, producer, lead actress, genres, language, budget, office, like box office, how much collection happened, running time, then film rating, then about the film, day, ticket rate per movie, and ticket rate over areas, and collection of India, collection of our areas, and also we have like total collections, like award, like nomination, everything we have. These are the data like that you are going to get from your client, and after that you need to clean by using the Power Query editor. Okay, then you can get like this is the pivot. Okay, these are the some data, like this is dimension table, this is a fact table, this is our original data. From this original data we are going to create one by one data, movie title, then one is director, then one is producer, then is like a lead actress, then genres, then language, then about the movie, then category. Okay, like that we have one more dimension table. These are the called dimension table, and in that dimension table we don't have any duplicate, only original value we have in this. Okay, then comes to a dashboard. After this we can do the data modeling, and then we can create a visualization like this. You can see how this is only visualization. You can see I took this data, and by using the designs we change it, by use the formats we will change it, by using the data option we can collect the data, we can show the queries, we can go to the Power Query editors. Okay, we can do the report connection. Different kind of visualization we can do in Excel. In the real time data also we can connect direct. You can connect the data from your web scraping, or else we can go through by your API. You can get the real time data, and we can do this. Once refresh means all the same things will be update regular basics. Okay, you can see after that we created this dashboard. We can see these are the dashboard by clicking. For example, movie based on the movie title, you want to see how much percentage is happened, and how much percentage of happened is what are the budget of this. Okay, what is the total based on, or like what based on this, based on the genres. Okay, based on the domestic, what are the budget based on the India and our areas. Okay, based on the year, which year which movie got released, everything we can do by clicking the one slicer. You can see Brahmastra. If you click on this Brahmastra, you can see this will change. Just a moment, what happened? Freshness. Just a moment. Where is that? चला गया. Suddenly what happened? Sorry, connection at gap. I think someone removed that connections here. Just a moment, guys. Shalini, I think someone changed this.
Sorry?
Someone changed this one.
It's fine. Whatever you can show the functional in this, it's fine.
No, this is actually, this is need to work. Everything will be changed at a time.
It's fine. Other chats you can
I think
explain
someone
it.
changed. Yeah. See, guys, this is a slicer. Okay, I think some access have the team, so they change it. See, movie title means here. If you click in Bumma Sutra means everything will be changed here in this accordingly everything. If you click on one part means everything will be changed. Pathan. If you click on Pathan movie, means everything will be changed at a time. Like what are the domestic around, means what are the three, how much the budget of three RRR, Pathan, KGF, and Brahmasutra. Only Brahmasutra will be shown here. If you click on Pathan, means Pathan data will be shown in the every charts. RR means everything will be shown in the RR, means every charts will be show the details of only RRR, not other movies. Stree 2, if you click on, means all the data will be show only the Stree 2 data, not other data. Okay, these are the filter. If you apply the slicer and filter, means you can see the particular data about, not other data. Okay, I think someone removed that excess. Okay, so like that you need to do it, guys. If you do, means you can direct solve your problem, and you can find out the exactly what, when the Brahma Sutra got released, and what are the ticket price, and where, and how much the total budget, and what much the collection of box office. Okay, what are the percentage, means who won this award of the Brahmastra, ya Pathan, ya RRR, ya Stree 2. If you compare like all the movies with the Stree 2, means who is the one, Brahmastra, ya KGF, ya Pathan, ya RRR, ya Stree 2. Everything we can say this by clicking only one slicer here. Clear, guys? So like that you can make. You can simple. These are the very informative one. This is called, you can say like a graphical reporting. You can add these pictures here. Okay, you can do the charts here. Like that we can do it. So any doubt, guys? Anything, anyone? Hmm? I think someone asked something. So guys, anyone having any doubt? Yeah, anything? Feel free to ask here.
Guys, feel free to ask if anyone having any doubts.